beginning to become more conscious, or they need to ground themselves, okay? So when you're reading your divination mat, you throw your tools down and just say the human element, which you'll learn about later, lands on the north. Those are some of the things that it means, okay? But do know that the north cardinal point of this earth represents great, great power. There's energy that's very, very powerful that comes from the north of the cardinal point of the earth, okay? Y'all got it? Everybody wrote it down? Okay. Now, south cardinal point, okay, represents the mind. It represents guidance. It represents learning. So when you're throwing your shells down, and if your human element lands on the south, that person needs to either work with their mind, or they use their mind a lot, or they need guidance from their ancestors, or they're in the process of learning or going to school, okay? Also, I'm pausing to give y'all a chance to write it down, okay? Also,
thank you.
You're welcome. The south also represents the solar energy, okay? The south is also a powerful energy because it also enhances your, for lack of better words, psychic energies, okay? Or your ability to see clearer, okay? And the south represents magic. So when you're throwing your tools down, if it falls on the south, that person might be into dealing with some spiritual, work, or, it's very powerful when it comes to seeing. They're already a seer. It can mean different things like that, okay?